Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.